These are the official results of the men's 800 meters event at the 1984 Summer Olympics in Los Angeles, California. The event took place between 3 and 6 August. With four notable front-runners in the race, the battle to the break was important. Edwin Koech on the far outside and Joaquim Cruz went out hard around the first turn, with Earl Jones and Johnny Gray to the inside. Cruz, Jones and Gray converged at the same spot, Gray getting the short end of the stick and suddenly losing ground to the back of the field. Then Koech converged from the outside, closing the door on Cruz and Jones, with Cruz edging ahead of Jones as contact was made, causing Cruz to jump 200 meters into the race. The lead group was marked by British rivals, defending champion Steve Ovett and world record holder Sebastian Coe. They held that order through the next 200 meters, only upset by Gray long striding along the outside up to Coe's shoulder. Gray's added speed seemed to force the leaders to run faster to stay ahead of him, while Ovett withered out the back of the field. With 200 to go, Gray seemed to tighten up, frustrated that his hard effort only netted him 5th place. Through the turn, Cruz inched closer to Koech, still marked by Coe and Jones. When Cruz pounced coming off the turn, Koech wilted. Outside of him, Coe and Jones were in a shoulder-to-shoulder sprint battle. Cruz had won the war, sprinting away to a clear 5-meter victory. Coe was able to make a slight gain on Jones to take silver. Jones still held off a late charge by Billy Konchellah for bronze. Medalists. Abbreviations. Records. These were the standing world and Olympic records in minutes prior to the 1984 Summer Olympics. In the final, Joaquim Cruz set a new Olympic record with 1:43.00 minutes. Results: Heats, Quarterfinals, Semifinals, Final. See also 1982 Men's European Championships 800 meters, Athens. 1983 Men's World Championships 800 meters, Helsinki. 1984 Men's Friendship Games 800 meters, Moscow. 1986 Men's European Championships 800 meters, Stuttgart. References. External links. Results.